welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you guys ask about the products I use and things like that, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do a what's in my bag. So in all honesty, I haven't cleaned out this bag since the beginning of summer. So basically everything that's in here is what I use daily in the summer, so you guys can get the full scoop on that. I know, I didn't even know half the stuff was in there. Did you get that? So the first thing that you will always find in my bag are car keys, my actual prescription glasses. Funny story, I have astigmatism. And if you're wondering what that is, it's basically when your eyes are so bad that they have to call it astigmatism. And so these are my glasses. Really dirty, but yeah. I also have my regular sunglasses. So if it's really, really sunny out and I'm feeling extra blind, you just gotta wear them both, you guys. Just gotta. Another thing that you should always keep in your bag is a powder and a powder brush. And that's just because, well, for me, especially, my skin gets super oily throughout the day. And sometimes you just wanna, like, you know, powder it up. In addition to that, I also always have mascara to just reapply throughout the day if your lashes get sort of like downward, or if your lashes get sort of tired or whatever, it's good to kind of keep a mascara to lift them up throughout the day. I also always carry lip products. So the first thing to do before putting on lipstick, I'm sure you guys know this, but if you don't, then here's a little tip. You should always scrub your lips down. What I usually do before I leave for the day is while I'm brushing my teeth, I'll brush my lips. And if you sort of want like a bigger, like puffier look for your lips, then it's really good to scrub them because it irritates them. It irritates your lips and then it makes them sort of swell up. But throughout the day, like if you don't carry a toothbrush with you all the time, then you might want to use a lip scrub. This one's coconut flavored. So yeah, use this before you put on any other lip product or just any scrub in general. For lipsticks during the summer, I've been tending to use like pinkish, reddish colors. So this is more of a pink, and then this is like a red. It's actually called coral, but it's more of like red, as you can see. So those are my lip products. And once again, I'm showing everything that I carry in my bag, and you can't forget water. Even though this is probably like 2 months old, it's just been in my bag forever, but seriously guys, drink your water. Water. You know that song where it goes, drink my water?
No.
Okay. A little summertime trick is if you want your hair lighter, then you take a little bit of lemon juice and put it in your hair, and then you can go sit out and it will make your hair lighter, which is really cool. But if you want something that's like for the go and you want like beach waves or whatever, then you can get this sea spray, sea salt. It's like a beach wave hair mist. It smells so good. And you just sort of spray it and then like bunch up your hair, and then it works, you guys, it does. So I bring that on the go. Next is my hairbrush. It's really important if you have long hair, especially, that you're always brushing your hair. I know mine gets knotted super, super fast. Next is perfume. So this right now, at the moment, is my favorite perfume. It's by Fresh and it's called Pink Jasmine. And it's really, really good. I use it every day and on the go, I bring it everywhere. But if you have like a smaller purse or something and you don't want to bring like a huge bottle, then you should always carry a roll-on. I really like this Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and it's like I'm almost out. You can tell that I really like it. It is also really, really important to keep your breath smelling good, because like, you know when like you're talking to someone and like their breath doesn't smell good and you like automatically like think differently of them? Like all of a sudden they get kind of like gross. Just cut it. I always carry Altoids with me. I've actually recently switched to this wintergreen one. I used to always buy the red ones, like the original ones, but I actually really like wintergreen. They just taste more like candy. And lastly, the thing that I was actually surprised to find in my backpack was a flashlight. But hey, you guys, stay prepared. You never know when you're gonna get stuck in a cave. It's like, stay prepared. You never know like So I wasn't gonna do this, but my brother just asked me if I could only choose one thing to carry with me for the next week, what would it be? And I think I've come to the conclusion that it would probably be my perfume because, I don't know, when I don't smell good, like, I just don't feel good. Anyways, that was what was in my bag. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you guys can go and get some of the stuff that I use. But also, comment down below and let me know your favorite products because, you know, I want to know. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store next week. So with that being said, I'll see you then. Thank you guys. Love you.